Hello everyone. In this video we'll see the question number 76 to 100, and this is final series to complete all your 100 question. So read the following statement given below and choose the correct alternative. So statement 1 is talked about the land degradation is caused due to soil erosion and water logging, and statement which is correct because land degradation is caused due to soil erosion. Yes, when topmost soil is eroded, then most nutrient component of the soil is eroded, and water logging condition also create problem of salinization. So statement is right. The deforestation is major reason for soil erosion. Yes, it is also right, because by causing deforestation, the root, that is root of the tree that is holding the soil, is also gone. So because of that, it accelerates the soil erosion. So both the statement are correct. That is answer A is correct. Okay. So next statement, the land degradation in India happened at a very large scale because inadequate soil conservation measure and overgrazing. Yes, overgrazing is also cause of the soil erosion and inadequate soil conservation measure as well. Okay, so answer is C, that is both A and B. Okay, so next question number 78, there is a huge loss of valuable nutrient and fertility in India. What are the reason for this? So reason for this is soil erosion. Okay, that is answer A. Answer A. There is a huge loss of valuable nutrient and fertility in India. What are the reason for this soil erosion? Okay. So which of the following organization collect every data on poverty in India? It is National Sample Survey Organization. Very simple question and direct question also. Which of the following help to measure the poverty determination? It is the poverty gap index, head count ratio, SNP index. So D, that is all are used. So here answer is D, all are used to determine the poverty. Okay. So next is, in India, which of the following determine the wage policy? So wage policy, different state pay different wages, depends on the cost of living. So if someone is living in a backward state, the cost of living is low, so wage is also given low. If someone is staying in a state with where the cost of living is high, then that person is also given higher salary. So it is decided on the basis of cost of living. Okay. The next is, which of the following three states in India are considered to be poorest? So Haryana is the richest state. Always remember that Haryana is a very richest state. So you can eliminate this option, this option. So Andhra Pradesh is also quite rich state. So this is also you can eliminate. So the left with three states, that is Jharkhand, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So next, which of the following statement about the Atal Bhujal Yojana? So what are the objective? It concept to be arrest the rampant overuse of groundwater in India. It is supported by World Bank. It is a sub scheme under National Groundwater Management Improvisation Scheme. So answer is all the three, because it is concept to be arrest rampant overuse of the groundwater. Then statement 2 supported by World Bank. Okay, so all statement are correct. So answer is D. So next, which of the year known as the demographic divide? So it is the 2021. So year 2021 known as the year of great divide, year of demographic divide Indian, because marks significant country population growth. Okay, after 2020, after 1921 we have seen significant shift in our population, like from population decline to population rise. So that is the reason it is called population divide. ठीक है, which of the following statement related to reason for low sex ratio का क्या reason है? High maternal mortality rate, because of high maternal mortality rate reduce the number of women also. Sex selective abortion, you know that. Then next is change in the sex ratio at the birth. So this is also a reason. So all the options are correct. So answer is D. So high maternal mortality rate, sex selective abortion, change in sex ratios, on meta preference, then cultural preference, migration, environmental, these are some factor for low sex ratio. So please read all this explanation, and you can get this PDF in our Telegram channel. A link is given below. Please click that links to get this PDF. Okay. So next is question number 86. Which of the following statement regarding the aquatic ecosystem? So shallow water zone around the edge of the lake is called littoral zone. Yes, it is correct. The limnatic zone is open zone where phytoplankton grow in abundance. So though the open zone, like if it is an ocean, the open zone, there is a lot of sunlight, but the growth is not abundance because there is lack of nutrient. So statement 2 is wrong. The profound zone is dark zone where light cannot reach. Yes, this is right. So 1 and 3. So answer is limnatic zone where there is a plenty of abundance. So I think option 2 cannot be an option. So I think it is 1 and 3, and there is no option. One, yes, option C. I think the option C is the most appropriate rather than D, because the limnatic zone is open sea. Open sea, the planktons not grow in abundance, because though there is a lot of sunlight, but they lack the nutrient. But the abundance found in the littoral zone. Littoral zone means this zone, because in this zone they get a lot of nutrient from the land area. So here we have abundance growth of plankton, okay? But in the say limnatic zone, here though we have lot of sunlight but lack of nutrient, okay? So answer, I think it is C, not D. Answer is C, not D. Okay, so which climatic phenomena is characterized by cooler than normal sea surface temperature in Central Pacific Ocean? So it is La Nina. It is La Nina. La Nina is a climate pattern that occurs when sea surface temperature in the Central and Eastern Pacific Ocean cooler than the normal. Okay, the next is, which of the following article of Constitution India refer to protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding forest and wildlife? It is Article 48A. Article 48A of Indian Constitution is a directive principle that requires state to protect and improve environment and safeguard country forest and wildlife. Okay, so which of the following are primary pollutant? It is carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic compound, and then nitric oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, and radioactive pollutant. So answer is D, that is all are primary pollutant. Okay, so next is, with reference to the drought, consider the following statement. So meteorologically, drought is based on the impact of rainfall deficit on water supply. This is correct. The socio-economic drought refer to the impact of drought conditions, supply and demand of the goods. So this is also correct. So answer is so the meteorological drought is based on the impact of rainfall deficit on the water supply. Actually, this statement is wrong. If you look into the government document, so initially I thought the statement is right, but in government document exact word is mentioned. So because of that, they picked directly from there. So this is the definition of hydrological drought. Hydrological drought. So hydrological drought. So the statement is wrong. Only the statement 2 is correct. So answer is B. Okay. So please be careful. So with reference to the cloud seeding, consider the following statement. It is a weather modification technique that improves the cloud's ability to produce rain or snow by introducing tiny ice nuclei into the certain types of soft freezing cloud. Yes, this statement is correct. The aluminum hydroxide is most abundant chemical used in the cloud seeding. No, this statement is wrong. We use silver nitrate. Yes, we use silver iodide is the most common chemical. So it is not the aluminum hydroxide, rather it is the silver iodide that is used most common. Okay. The next is, national air quality is launched by the government to monitor the quality of air major urban center across the country on a real-time basis and enhancing the public awareness for taking mitigative action. In this context, consider the following statement. AQI will have one number, one color, one description to inform public about quality of in a simple, easy, understandable format. Yes, this statement is right. The 6 category, namely good, satisfactory, moderately polluted, poor, very poor, severe. Yes, it's also right. The index consider 8 pollutant: PM 2.5, PM 10, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozones, then NH3, PB. Yes, this is also right. So answer is D. So it measure all the pollutant. Okay. So here it is given the detail. Please go through this detail. PDF will be already, I think PDF will be uploaded in our Telegram channel. Please download that. So next is, which of the following best describe the term deep ecology? It is a philosophy that believe in specific changes in daily life of human to minimize damage to the environment. Yes, there is controversy between A and B, but I believe option is A, because it talks about positive relation with the environment. But option B, philosophy that believe humans should radically change their relationship with the nature. So it is not talk about whether it is positive change or negative change. So I think that is the reason option A is most appropriate. The ability of a population to increase under ideal condition is called biotic potential. Okay? The ability of a population to increase under ideal environment condition is called biotic potential. Its maximum rate at which population can increase under ideal conditions, such unlimited resource and no hindrance. Okay? So next question number 95. Which disaster is most likely to influence by क्लाइमेट चेंज कौन सा डिजास्टर को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है? सो इट इज आंसर इज सी, दैट इज ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन. ठीक है. So tidal waves are caused by which of the following gravitational interactions? So you know that tidal waves are caused by the gravitational pull of sun and moon on the earth's surface. So here it is sun's gravitational impact on moon, answer is wrong. Earth's gravitational pull on moon, answer is wrong. Moon's gravitational impact on the earth, so answer is C. So it is the caused by moon's gravitational impact on the earth. The next is a square shaped hole is punched on a metal sheet whose linear thermal expansion is 10 to the power minus 5. The size of the hole is decreased by 10%. So this question is actually quite controversial. So like we have tried a lot, but it is very difficult to find answer. So the closest option it is given is C, but so the option that most appropriate as of now is C, but we don't know what is the correct option. What is correct option, that is going to give by OPSC. So which among the next question is question number 98. So which among the following has least thermal conductivity? सबसे कम thermal conductivity किसका है? So it is the semiconductor is the least thermal conductivity. Semiconductor, superconductor, alloy have. So among the metal, semiconductor, superconductor and alloy, semiconductor have the least thermal conductivity. क्यों है? Already reason दिया गया. Please read this PDF. You'll understand lot of things. Symbol of material used in conventional glass thermometer, it is mercury, that is Hg. So ठीक है. So it is given detail, so please go through that. The temperature variation of land near sea is very less compared to the far from sea due to sea absorb lots of heat. ठीक है. This is this indeed correct, the temperature variation of the less extreme. ठीक है. So please the answer is B. So 100 number question answer is B. So dear student, we have discussed all the answer. ठीक है. Okay, bye bye.